Hello everyone, I am here today to demonstrate with you how I retwist my own hair. Let me tell you, it is not an easy job, but with patience you can get the job done. As you can see, I have completed the back of my hair, so I am doing the front. I am really taking my time to part my roots, make sure I get all the hair inside the lock that deserves to be in there. Doing this will give you the results of a clean, neat retwist that will last up to 2 weeks or longer. Combing the hair after placing the product on it is very important also. It makes sure that you have all the hair together and that it ensures that it will come out really clean and sleek. If you have a problem with deciding where you should start your part, all you have to do is just start from a point where you see a part and continue to just follow your parting guideline. I am placing the clips in the direction that I want my locks to fall. So in this case, I want a part on my right side. So I am going to clip some of my hair going to the left and the other half going to the right. That way, once I take the clips out, it will automatically lay that way easily. So now I'm going to speed the video up until I get to the end. So now I have completed the retwist process. So I am going to now move on to just a simple style that I usually do to the front of my hair. Before I do that, I spray the Loft mist in there. It keep my hair really hydrated, and then I just spider braid the front of my hair. To keep the ends from not coming down, I put the rubber band on. I don't wrap it no more than 2 times though because I don't like when my hair is really, really tight. Couple of things to keep your retwist fresh as possible is to make sure you tie it down with some type of satin bonnet or scarf at night. This will ensure that you keep all of your oils inside your hair. It will keep it from causing breakage and making your hair frizz. So just make sure you cover it every time you take a nap or every time you get in the shower or you go to sleep. I hope this video was able to help anyone who needed help retwisting their own hair. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.